everyone. Today I will show you the big problem of Wordpress version 5.6.1. The problem is updating problem. The problem is also edit post, and the edit post page is broken after updating post, after the publishing post. How can I fix it? Listen, go to the WordPress account, WordPress website, and log in and choose a post and press the edit post. Go to the edit post. After that, this edit HTML. Okay, no. This is not that. You can show that there is a picture is coming now. Okay, I will show you how can I build it easily. Classic paragraph and custom HTML. Okay, HTML preview. What is this? How can it be possible? Let's start from the okay. Solve it. This time the problem is not solved. Why is the problem? Log custom HTML. See, the full body is here and the preview there, but you cannot edit on this. Okay, the classic paragraph, and the problem is solved. Listen, the problem is solved. You can edit anything. Okay, you can edit anything of a post. Let's show. I will show you another post by fixing the problem. Go to the this post. Classic paragraph will show and custom HTML. There are full post, full body is coming in front me. Preview. Okay, HTML, and go to the classic paragraph, and the paragraph is coming now. I will show you another post. Last post. See that custom HTML preview. there are full body is coming now, and I'm going to the next paragraph, and the full body is coming in front to me. I will show you the problem is a big problem, but I will listen. I researched about the problem and everything. There are so many comments about the edit page broken after publishing to the WP 5.6. One of the comments after updating to WordPress 5.6, two things are broken on the edit post page. Okay, I'm having the same issue. The classic editor in the visual editor does not display anything. When I switch to text editor, it shows the code, and when I switch to back to the visual editor, the text is strange looking and not right. Then when I save as draft, all the text disappears. So when will this be fixed? Contact support. Read all the orienters and it's still affected with this issue. Does anyone know when this will be fixed? Having the same issue on our side. The same issue, the edit page broken after the other team 5.6. Same problem. Can schedule posts have other edit problems in posts? Okay. I fixed it. So that. Okay, guys. I will coming front of you on my channel. Let's subscribe and let's press the subscribe button to get the notification updates from my channel. I'm going for today from this video, and the video is in this moment. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi